Hey guys, so today we're going to make two macrame coasters. These are very simple and I'll show you some tips and tricks of how to make it even easier for you. We're going to start with the square, and for the purpose of this video, I've actually just made this twice as long as I would to make one coaster because I'm just going to make the square one and then I'm going to go right into the heart coaster. Okay, so as you can see, I've already strung up all 12 strings. These are 4mm by Ganxxet. And they're about 5.5 feet long each. Okay, so just under 2 meters. So to start, we're just going to do the square one. All it is alternating square knots. Now that we're done the square coaster, we're going to leave about 3/4 of an inch to an inch for some fringe. We're going to go down another inch or so, and we're going to start the heart coaster. So for this one, we're going to leave out the first 4 and start the square knots with the next 4. And then from the other side, this is going to be the top of the heart. We're going to leave out those first 4 and go in and start with the next 4 and try to have these lined up. From there, we're going to leave out the first 2 and start there and join this up with the square knot. And then over, and same thing. Now we're going to leave these 4, these center 4, and we're going to go over and do the same, make a square knot with these 2 and these 2 from the previous square knot. So now that both of the coasters are done, we're just going to cut them loose. I'll show you. There. Now for this, we're just going to slide it off of the dowel. Till these are all out. And it's a good idea always to give these little square knots on the ends an extra tight little pull. Make sure they're all well on there. Now we want to try to make sure that these are pretty close to the same length on each side. So let's see how we do. And this part never has to be exact, because you can always, it's always gonna be different when you fringe it out, when you comb it out. So once that's done, then you can do the final trim and make sure it's all even everywhere. There's that one. Now for the heart, to get it even, just fold it in half. Make sure these are aligned. Okay, so when the heart's done, this looks a little bit crazy right now, but you can see how there are these loops on either side. So for that, we're just going to use one of those little trimmings we just had, fold it right in half, and put a lark's head knot through there, just so that when we fringe it out, it'll have even fringe the whole way around. There won't be any little bald spots there. See?